Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Van Gilder and I am a sixth grade teacher at St. Mary's, Kansas at St. Mary's Grade School. I teach ELA and social studies. One of my goals in taking this course is to improve my ability to teach courses online. I definitely see that as being relevant with today's students because they do spend so much time on technology, and just being able to teach them how to use it correctly is really a valuable skill. Um, some of my strengths is that I do utilize technology every day. I am pretty adaptive when it comes to technology. If it's something I haven't tried before, I'm not worried to actually try it and see if it works or not, or make it work for what I need it for. One of my weaknesses is really trying to make the technology that we use something that's relevant to the students, as well as making sure that um, they're getting the full benefit of the lesson while using technology. Sometimes I feel that the old school method with teaching still works really well, but I'm trying to really work on adding the technology to their everyday learning. Um, and I mean, I enjoy doing research online. I really want my students to be able to find good and credible sources when they do research. With the sixth graders, we really start getting into that point where can you believe a source or can you not? Not believing everything that you see posted on the web and things like that. Um, so I'm really hoping to learn a lot with everybody and share different ideas. So I look forward to this semester. Thanks.